Hello and welcome to an introduction to the Custom Data Organizer. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use the gas mileage calculator dashboard. First we open the menu and select Load Save. This opens a pop-up where you can save and load all of your various data tracking setups to the cloud. In this first tab, you can see several sample dashboards that I have created to allow you to get started easily and get a feel for the application before you start custom designing your own way of doing things. Select the gas mileage option. In this next menu, you can view more detailed information about this setup, or you can do a custom download, which allows you to select only certain parts of the setup. In our case, we can just hit download it and load everything. Now, when we go back to the main menu, we see a new dashboard at the top called Gas Mileage. If you select this, you will see your new gas mileage calculator dashboard. You can see three sections, which I call cards. The top left card is your input card, where you will be inputting your gas mileage information every time you buy gas. The bottom left card is your ongoing gas mileage report, which is blank right now because we have not input any information. The card on the right are instructions that you can later delete. The gas mileage calculator is not quite ready to go out of the box because it has no way of knowing how many miles you already have on your car. So we need to make a quick edit to the report. So now we go back to the menu and select Edit Home Cards to set our dashboard into edit mode. In this mode, each card has an edit and delete button on the left and a draggable resize icon in the lower right. In this mode, you can also drag to move cards around. But in this case, we just want to edit our report. So we click the edit button, which opens the edit menu for that card. In the selected items area, we see a list of all the items to be displayed in this card. Cards contain any combination of reports, tracker inputs, and charts. In this case, we have only a single report. Let's select the Edit button for that report. Now we are looking at the report editor. The report editor consists of three main text fields. You have your starting text at the top and the ending text at the bottom, which you can see are both currently empty. The text field in the middle contains the text that will be shown once for each data point. So now, as it says in the included instructions, we change each instance of 124,500 to whatever the current mileage is of your car. You should try to do this when you have a full tank of gas. So let's say I have 54,000 miles on my car. I'll just change that here in the math shortcodes. Now we open our main menu and quit editing, and now we are ready to actually use the gas mileage calculator. So let's say we went 500 miles before filling up again. So our total is 54,500 miles on the odometer. When we fill up, we bought 50 gallons at a cost of $150. So we enter all three pieces of data and hit enter. Now we start seeing output in our report. Let's put in some more numbers, which obviously don't represent realistic gas purchases, but do illustrate how the report works. So that's the basics of how the gas mileage calculator works. Now we can edit our cards again and delete the instructions we no longer need and move stuff around so I can add other things to this dashboard. Now I'm going to show you the Manage page, which contains all of your trackers, cards, reports, dashboards, and charts. Since we don't need the instructions card or its report, we can delete them. And there you have a basic introduction to the Custom Data Organizer application. But remember, this is just a tiny sample of what this app can do.